Hey, LA, let's celebrate innovation and creativity at the Los Angeles Indie Filmmaker, Gaming, Tech, Practice Your Pitch Saturday. We can't wait to hear your ideas and see your visions come to life. Hosted by CEOSocial.io and Twobitcircus in Los Angeles, we designed this meetup event on Saturday once a month for CEOs who need to promote and market their business and make business connections with professionals who want to socialize, join an active support group, build lifelong friendships, and develop strong business connections. Welcome to the ultimate brand loyalty points rewards program at Twobitcircus. Here's how it works. Simply start by purchasing a minimum $35 event and gameplay Twobitcircus game card. This card not only grants you access to endless fun, but also serves as your key to exclusive benefits. With the card, get a free pass to attend one Practice Your Pitch and CEOSocial.io workshop at Twobitcircus. Use it to buy food, drinks, and gameplay, and earn CEOSocial member loyalty points every time you visit Twobitcircus in Los Angeles. The perks don't stop there. You'll accumulate even more points when you visit the gift store and other locations within Twobitcircus. But that's not all. Earn bonus points by hosting a listening party. Get 10 bonus points by visiting our CEOSocial event venue and our venue sponsor exhibits. Simply scan your brand loyalty points QR code and score an additional 5 points when you post a pic to social media with our designated hashtags. Join the Twobitcircus loyalty revolution. Register today. Our next Saturday event is coming soon.